My initial goal out of high school was engineering. My father had been an engineer, and so I got an opportunity to see how engineering departments work and what goes on. Ultimately, I went to Purdue for a year and studied engineering, decided I liked math better, so I went to Western Reserve University for a year and studied math. And then after that, I decided I wanted to work and go to night school. I was just looking for a job, and somehow I found that job at Reliance Electric, and it turned out that, they were doing some pretty advanced stuff. Reliance Electric had a big computer center in Euclid. We were doing remote transmission of data to that computer, which would do all the computation and then send the results back to us. A customer could just send a request in, and in a matter of 2 or 3 hours, we could actually design it, figure out, estimate what the cost was going to be. And that kind of got me hooked on the computer thing. So then I got laid off, so that's when I migrated from that and went to a White Motor Company, worked in the engineering department, and I worked there for 4 years. So I had engineering experience on a computer. I wanted to get commercial skills, so I moved to Detroit and worked for Honeywell. There I got into inventory management and purchasing and supply chain. From then forward, almost all the things I did subsequently were around supply chain, purchasing, logistics. Education has been a big part of my life because, as I indicated earlier, I went full-time 2 years, and after that I did night school and worked full-time. I really had kind of a leg up on other people in terms of staying up to date on the technology. I had some fantastic teachers at Weatherhead. They had a couple of classes where they had local presidents or vice presidents of companies that would come in and tell about their career and how they got to where they were. And that was really meaningful to me. One of the people that came to one of our classes was actually Peter B. Lewis. And he walked in on a cowboy outfit with a cowboy hat on and gave us his spiel about how he got where he was. He was an interesting guy. In my last job at Kimball, the last 6 years, I was able to gradually stop working, and I realized that I was going to have a lot of time on my hands, and I was looking for things to do. I contacted Weatherhead and got involved with them, and I got a lot of students that I mentored. Most of them were international students, so most of them had never been in the U.S. before, let alone Cleveland, so I was kind of like an American dad to these students. And I enjoyed that a lot, so that's when I got more involved at Weatherhead. It's been very rewarding for me. I've developed a lot of relationships. I probably mentored over the last 15 years over 100 students, and many of them I still have a relationship with. When I first heard about being nominated to be in the Hall of Fame, I was really very surprised and humbled. I'm very honored to be among the 2025 Hall of Fame nominees. I thank Weatherhead and the people that have nominated me and voted for me, and I hope that this inspires other people to achieve this award by doing good things for humanity.